within the doors, while everlasting love displays the choicest lover's soul. While all our hearts and all our songs join to admire the feast, each of us cry with thankful tongues, Lord, why was I again? Why was I made to hear thy voice and enter while there's room, when thousands make a wretched choice and rather starve than come? 'Twas the same love that spread the feast, that sweetly drew us in. Else we had still, yes, we would never have come and perished in our sin. Pity the nations, O our God, constrain the earth to come. Send thy victorious word abroad and bring the strangers home. We long to see thy church. Yes, we do. That all the chosen race may with one voice and heart and soul sing thy redeeming grace. Sing while all our hearts and all our songs. While all our hearts and all our songs join to admire the feast, each of us cry with thanks. Sing that again. Each of us cry. Each of us cry with thankful tongues, Lord, why was I again? Lord, we thank you for your saving grace, your gracious mercy, that you have called us to love you and live for your glory forever.